You can download the Realtek audio console from the official Realtek website or the Microsoft Store. To download from the official Realtek website, you can 1. Open the official Realtek download page. 2. Scroll down to the Windows section. And 3. Find the latest driver version that matches your operating system and hardware. To download from the Microsoft Store, you can 1. Click on the Get in Store app. 2. Select Open Microsoft Store. And 3. Go to the online Microsoft App Store page for this application. After downloading the file, you can 1. Double-click the file. 2. Follow the instructions on the screen. 3. In the Select Destination Location window, click Next. And 4. If you would like to select a different folder, click Browse. You can restart your operating system once the Audio Manager is installed.